Most people believe making money online requires something extraordinary, a revolutionary business idea, a massive audience, or some secret knowledge that nobody else has. But that belief hides a powerful truth. Right now, at this very moment, you already know things that other people would happily pay to learn. Skills you take for granted, experiences that feel ordinary to you, problems you've already solved in your life or career. And yet most people never monetize them. Why? Because they assume expertise must mean being the best in the world. But the truth is much simpler. You don't need to be the world's expert. You only need to be a few steps ahead of someone else. Think about it. If you know how to build a website, edit videos, grow social media pages, write persuasive emails, use Excel, prepare for job interviews, lose weight, speak better English, fix a car problem, there are thousands of people who don't know how to do that yet, and they would gladly pay someone who does. The modern economy has changed one fundamental rule. You no longer need permission to monetize knowledge. You don't need a degree. You don't need a company. You don't need investors. You just need three things: knowledge, a problem someone wants solved, and a way to deliver value. In this video, we're going to break down 4 powerful ways to monetize what you already know: consulting, courses, freelancing, content. Each one is a different path. Some are faster, some scale better, some require audience, some require none. But they all start with the same foundation: your knowledge. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to transform experience into income. Because knowledge that isn't shared is just potential. But knowledge that solves problems becomes value. And value becomes money. The knowledge economy. For most of human history, wealth came from physical assets: land, factories, machinery. Today, a different type of asset dominates: knowledge. The internet created the knowledge economy, where ideas, insights, and expertise can travel instantly across the world. Think about some of the most profitable businesses today. Software companies sell code. Media companies sell information. Consultants sell expertise. Creators sell knowledge and perspective. And the most powerful shift is this: distribution has become free. You can publish an idea, a lesson, or a skill online, and millions of people can access it. But knowledge alone is not enough. To monetize it, you must package it into solutions. People don't pay for information. They pay for clarity, speed, and results. They pay for someone who can help them solve a problem faster, avoid mistakes, gain confidence, achieve outcomes. So the first step to monetizing knowledge is simple. Identify the problems you can solve. Ask yourself, what do people ask me for help with? What problems have I solved in my own life? What skills have I built through work or experience? Your expertise might feel normal to you, but normal for you can be valuable for someone else. Once you identify your knowledge, the next step is choosing how to deliver it. Consulting. Selling clarity. Consulting is the simplest way to monetize knowledge. You help someone solve a problem using your experience. That's it. You're not selling hours. You're selling clarity. Companies hire consultants because mistakes are expensive. A good consultant helps them avoid those mistakes, and that value can be enormous. For example, a marketing consultant might help a company increase sales. A productivity consultant might redesign workflows. A hiring consultant might help find better employees. Even small improvements can be worth thousands of dollars. That's why consulting can be highly profitable. But many people hesitate to start consulting because they think, I'm not expert enough. But remember this principle: expertise is relative. If you know more than the person you're helping, you can create value. The simplest way to begin consulting is to focus on a specific problem. Not, I help businesses grow, but I help local gyms attract more members through social media. Specificity builds credibility. Consulting also has a powerful advantage. It requires no audience and no product. You simply find a problem, offer a solution, charge for your expertise. But consulting has one limitation. It doesn't scale easily. You still trade time for money. Which brings us to the next model. Courses, scaling knowledge. Courses transform knowledge into scalable assets. Instead of teaching one person at a time, you teach hundreds or thousands, and the internet has made course creation easier than ever. Think about skills people want to learn: coding, design, language learning, photography, business skills, public speaking, fitness training. These topics are massive industries, but here's the surprising truth. Most successful courses are not about complex ideas. They're about structured guidance. People don't just want information, they want a path. A course organizes knowledge into step-by-step learning, clear frameworks, practical exercises. It reduces confusion. For example, instead of spending months searching random YouTube videos, a student follows a single structured roadmap. That clarity is valuable, and it's why online education has exploded. But here's an important point. A course should not be your first step. Courses work best after you've helped people directly. Why? Because consulting or freelancing teaches you what people struggle with, what questions they ask, where they get stuck. Those insights help you build a course people actually want. Without that experience, many courses fail, because they solve problems nobody has. Courses scale knowledge, but they require trust. And trust often comes from the next method: freelancing, skills into cash flow. Freelancing is the bridge between knowledge and income. Instead of teaching skills, you apply them. You get paid to execute. For example, a designer creates logos, a video editor produces content, a writer crafts articles or marketing copy, a developer builds websites. Freelancing has several advantages. First, it produces immediate cash flow. Second, it builds real-world experience. Third, it helps you understand market demand. You learn which skills companies value most. And you develop something extremely important: proof, client results, testimonials, portfolio work. All of these increase your credibility. Freelancing also helps refine your expertise. You encounter real problems, real deadlines, real expectations. Those experiences deepen your knowledge far more than theory. But freelancing has the same limitation as consulting. It relies on your time, which is why the final monetization method is so powerful. Content, turning knowledge into audience. Content is the most scalable form of knowledge distribution. You share ideas publicly, and over time, people begin to trust your perspective. Content can take many forms: YouTube videos, blog posts, newsletters, podcasts, social media threads. The goal is simple: teach what you know, share insights, solve problems publicly. When you consistently provide value, an audience forms, and audience creates opportunities. Content monetization can include advertising revenue, selling courses, consulting leads, affiliate income, digital products, speaking opportunities. The reason content is so powerful is because it compounds. A single video can reach thousands of people. A library of content can reach millions over time. But content requires patience. It's a long-term asset. You build trust gradually, and trust is what converts attention into income. How these models work together. The smartest creators combine these models. For example, freelancing builds income and experience. Consulting increases your pricing power. Content builds audience and authority. Courses scale your expertise. Each layer strengthens the others. Knowledge becomes income. Income becomes assets. Assets become freedom. Closing. Most people underestimate the value of what they know. They assume expertise must be extraordinary. But value is not created by knowing everything. Value is created by helping someone move forward. If you can help someone save time, avoid mistakes, learn faster, solve a problem, your knowledge has economic value. The internet simply made it easier to share. So instead of asking, "Am I expert enough?" ask a better question. What problem can I help someone solve today? Because knowledge sitting in your head changes nothing. But knowledge applied to someone's problem creates transformation. And transformation is what people are willing to pay for. Your experience is not just a memory. It's an asset. And once you learn how to package it, you turn what you already know into opportunity.